Hi! Guess who's back? You don't know? Okay, fine. Anyway, it's Alina. If you're watching me again, thanks for having faith in me. If you're watching me for the first time, hi! I'm Alina and I'm really awkward right now. After a lot of demotivation and procrastination and not determination, all the bad shins basically, I'm here. And I'm making this and I'm already freaking exhausted. Yeah. So this is a Q&A video that no one asked for. I put like this story on my story and y'all did actually care and ask me questions. So like thanks for that. I'm just gonna put out irrelevant information that no one needs to know about me out there. So if you're still interested, go ahead. I mean, please watch it. Thank you in advance for watching it. पहला प्रश्न 5,000 रुपए. What will be the future of your YouTube channel content wise? Lots of love. Thank you so much. So for me, I haven't actually decided yet. Like I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing, but like as of now, I've put out like 3 random videos. I think I'm just going to go with the flow and like see what people like more. Then according to that, I'll just keep like switching stuff. How many siblings? I have one younger brother and he's like 12. Is that a picture? Yeah, that's our picture. When was the last time you cried? Why? I think it was probably yesterday because I hate Sundays, and on Sundays I always end up having like a bad day, and I was having a really bad day, and when I have bad days I just don't know what to do about it, so I just start crying. Yeah, so I just cried because I was having a bad day. How do you deal with period cramps? Bro, I'm literally on like the second day of my periods and I'm just dead. Like I'm dead on the outside, I'm dead on the inside, I'm just dead. Dude, you know, like kabhi sometimes I just want to be a boy. I envy this gender with a burning freaking passion. Okay, but getting back to the question, so like before, all I do was lie on the bed. Like I still do that. I just lie on the bed, eat, cry, go around the house yelling at everyone for no actual reason. Yeah, that's me on periods. I think every girl does this on her periods, like most girls. Bro, I think it just all happens because of the bad cramps. Like they play the most major role in like annoying a girl during her periods. Different girls have like their own way of dealing with it. Some take like painkillers, some just shut up and take the pain, and I used to be one of like the pain takers because like I was always too lazy to even like get up and like put a hot water bag or take a painkiller. But now I have entered a whole new category of girls that use Nua Cramp Comfort. So these are like self-healing patches that are a blessing for period pain. Okay, now apart from this obvious promotion, I use these. Like I freaking actually use these. For someone as lazy as me who won't even get up to take like a painkiller or like just heat and fill the hot water bag and stuff, this is heaven. Like this is the most convenient thing ever. So this is what the pack looks like. Don't bully me for my nails. The pack looks like. Let's open this beast. So this is the patch, and once like you remove this thing, it literally starts heating automatically. Like I said, super convenient to use, portable as hell. This is gonna be a mini tutorial. Open it like that, and this is like the sticky part of it. So the sticky part, it goes like on, and yeah, that's it. Obviously very safe to use because I use it myself. 1,000% organic, non-toxic, made with the natural ingredients. Lasts for 8 hours, no refilling, no replugging, no nothing, bro. And this is designed in like the most beautiful way possible. Like it's like curvy and stuff so that it fits like every curve of every woman perfectly. You can also stick it on like your lower abdomen or like your lower back, wherever you feel the pain. But it should be stuck only to the clothing piece that you're wearing and not your skin. Do not stick it to your skin. It should be stuck. The sticky part, stick it on your clothing, like inside. But just the clothing. I tried like the hot water bag thing once, like the heating bath. And dude, honestly, refilling it and heating it and all of that, I can't. Like, a lazy person cannot do that, and especially in period pain. So this heating pad is basically like that version of a hot water bag that just makes more sense. Makes more sense. So go and get yours now. What are you waiting for? Your period cramps? Go now. Moving on. How do you get rid of your facial hair? So for my upper lips and my brows and my chin, I thread them, like I get it threaded. I do it myself actually, like my upper lips and chin I can do it by myself, but like not my brows. And for the rest of my face, I use these face razors that you get. I'll just insert a picture of it, and my mom doesn't like that I use it because according to her it's like harmful to the skin and stuff, but I'm obviously gonna use it because I am a freaking bear, dude. I get hair and I get so much hair all over my face and I just can't deal with it. You don't have to remove it, but I'm just saying like how I remove it and what I prefer and what I don't. I think once in 2 weeks I use the face razors on my face. There's like a whole way how you're supposed to do it. You can look it up, and that's what I do. Your birthday and zodiac sign. 2nd October is my birthday and my zodiac sign is Libra. What's your pet peeve? My pet peeve is probably like disrespectful people who lack manners, and people who underestimate. So basically, people, do you feel like more people should watch the movie that you acted in? Not a lot of people know this. In the 8th grade, I was in a feature film that my school produced. The reason that I haven't gone announcing about it, not because like the movie is bad. The movie is like amazing, and I also did get like a lot of appreciation for like my acting and stuff. I always thought that I looked terrible, but now I feel like it's fine because my acting was actually good and I was in the 8th grade. I think it's okay. Yeah, I think you should just watch it. I'm gonna link it. How do you handle hate? Haters, hatefulness, hate. All I have to say is that I feel bad for them to have like hatred inside of you. Like, according to me, if you don't like something, if it doesn't satisfy your liking, just scroll. I feel there's absolutely no need for you to like go out of your way and waste your minutes of your precious life typing and just removing the hate that you have inside of you. Have your relatives passed snarky comments about you being an influencer? Yes. There have been close or distant relatives who just have a problem with it. But gratefully, like I'm very grateful to my parents who like supported completely. So as far as I have my parents' support and like their permission, I don't really care about what anyone else has to say. Your skincare and hair care. Hair care not so much, but like my skincare, I have been asked, I don't even know how many times. So I've decided that I will make a video on skincare. Even though I don't have like a routine, there are a lot of tips and stuff like do's and don'ts, so I'm gonna make a video on that. And for my hair care, though honestly I don't do shit. Like all I do for my hair is I put shampoo, conditioner, and that's it. Like no hair mask, no like serum, no nothing. I'm very lazy for that. And yeah, like sometimes when it gets greasy, I just put powder, talcum powder on my hair. Yeah. How many languages do you speak? Languages. Fluent 2, Kacha Pakka 3. You had braces? Question mark. Do you also have insecurities about yourself? Oh hell yeah, I do. I do have like a lot of insecurities. Like physically, yeah, I do have a lot of insecurities. What's your 10th percentage? 90%. Well, 89.60 to be exact, but it's 90 only. Yeah, no, it's 90. It's 90. Is your dad really like serious? Really that serious? Like I've seen him in your videos. Dude, actually my dad has told me, he's like, he really wanted me to delete that video because he's like, everyone's gonna think like I'm so kharoos and strict and all of that. I look scary in that. But that got a lot of views, so like I'm like, listen, I'm not deleting it. But no, he's actually not like that. Like when he's angry, he can be very, very scary. Like you just want to stay at like 100 kilometers away from him. Like you just want to maintain, you know, like a 2-arm distance from him at all times when he's like serious and angry. But that's when like he really runs out of patience. Or otherwise, he's actually like, He's damn cool, like he jokes around all the time. Don't your parents have any problems with what you are doing at this age instead of studying? I don't understand why people think we don't study. My parents will kill me if I don't study. This content creation is still like a side thing. Mainly I am studying and I will study, and I want to study myself, and even if I don't, my parents will kill me. Studies are like, education is really, really important to me and my parents. And that is it for today's video. I finally filmed the video. I can't believe this. If you made it through the whole video, thank you so much. I love you, and thank you so much for so much love on like my past 2 videos. It's insane how much love I'm getting for having like 2 videos on my channel. But thank you so much. It means the freaking world to me. And just have an amazing day, and tell me what next videos I'll upload. I have like no idea, so let me know what y'all would like to see, and have an amazing day. Hi guys, just wanted to pop in and say that if y'all are looking for a better, portable, non-toxic and efficient way to deal with your period cramps, you have to try Nua's Cramp Comfort Patches. So go click the link in my description. Also, you can get a discount if you use my code, which is Alina20 on the website, to get a 20% discount. These patches are priced at ₹299, but if you use my discount code, you will get it for $239, which is like 80 rupees per patch, and the one box can last up to 1 to 2 period cycles. Bye bye.